Hi, I'm Pan Gangowski. I'm a young game developer from Poland. Currently, I'm developing Juice Empire mobile game, and I use Gdevelop engine for that. Let's get into the video. I'm going on holidays in 7 days, and I really want to release Juice Empire before that. I have a lot of work to do, and I have no time to waste. So let's start the last episode of developing Juice Empire before the release. In the last episode, I said I would rewrite the entire selling system, and I did it. Now there are unlimited orders, and every order is randomly generated. As you progress in the game, orders are getting bigger and bigger, and you start selling juices to bigger companies that are paying more. It took me 3 days to do that, and it wasn't easy at all. I had many bugs and issues, but I'm proud of myself that I have achieved that. I will talk about the whole monetization idea of this game in a moment, but first I want to add something. As player progress, he will be able to build foyer for his factory. It is going to cost 100 in-game dollars, and it is going to expand factory customization options. Now when the basic mechanics feels quite complete, I have to think about the story aspect with an interesting tutorial in mind. Tutorials are one of the most important parts of the game, because they introduce player to the game, and when done right, they make player want to continue playing. My plan for the player to get involved in the game has 2 main points: discovering new juices and fun facts about them, and story about renovation of the factory. For both of them, I need a talking character. But there is a problem. As I mentioned in the last episode, drawing pixel art characters is not my cup of tea. Fortunately, my dear friend Mary Stan finished drawing a character for me, and she sent me multiple versions to choose from. And look, the character looks great. I had chosen this one for the game, but I asked Mary to make some small changes. And now I have a stunning character for my game. I designed short interactive tutorial where my character shows player how to play the game. By the way, I should name my character somehow. Let's Google it. So I will go for Olivia. Okay, I will show you part of the tutorial. And that's all I want to show you. To see more, you have to download the game and play it yourself. I also added some fun facts about juices you research. So every time you research on a juice, the window with Olivia pops up and she tells you something interesting. At the end of the tutorial, Olivia asks you to build the house for her, so she can live by the factory and be always a help. Now I'm going to make it happen. Today I was mainly focused on repairing some minor bugs on the selling system. I also passed the game to someone to see if the interactive tutorial works fine, and I think it's quite okay. So I worked on adding more dialogues and more fun facts about juices and fruits, and I guess from now on it's going to be my main activity to the day of the release. I have to make sure my game has enough content to make player want to continue playing. With new selling system, there is a new in-game economy. So I have to change some prices and in general rebalance some parts of the game, especially when it comes to the research part. Today I will be focusing on one thing only: sound design. There are no sounds in the game right now, and I have to change it. I've made one music track that will be looped in the game, but music isn't everything. I also need some sound effects, so I've created them. There are 3 sound effects: touching a button, selling a juice, and growing plants. I'm leaving in 3 days, so I have to hurry up in order to finish the first version of the game. In the last episode I asked you if you have any idea for the name of this juice, and I've got one interesting idea: Tropical Fruit Punch. Thank you for this idea. I'm going to implement it in the game. Today I will get into the monetization subjects. As I said before, there is second currency. I called it gold coins. For the most part of the game, you won't be able to get gold coins without watching ads. The only opportunity is expanding the factory and talking to Olivia. She will give you some from time to time. Speaking of ads, my game will basically use Google AdMob because it's easy to set up and integrate with Gdevelop. And before you ask, there will be no popping up ads, so no need to worry about it. Today I added more fun facts about the juices. I also made many additional tweaks to the game start. As I've said before, first impression is really important. I also added a new feature, Logo Designer. It's a panel where you can design your own factory logo. There are not many options right now, but I'm planning to add some more in the future. I'm leaving tomorrow, so I'm planning to upload my game and make some final changes. But today it is all about adding more content and marketing. Today I need to create the main icon, screenshots, graphics, trailer, ads, and some other stuff like that. So let's get into the work. And that's how the game icon is going to look. I've also made a trailer and two versions of ads, horizontal and vertical. I'm leaving today, and I'm going to upload my game to Google Play Store. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, that means that the game is already available for Android. I would be very grateful if you could try out my game, share your opinion via Play Store, YouTube or Discord, and show the game to your friends. Thanks! So thank you for watching. I'm going to rest now, but if any crucial bugs appear in the game during that time, I'm definitely going to repair them. So see you in the next video after I'm back from vacation. Also, I have one more important message for you. Next episodes are to come because the development progress isn't finished yet. Have a good time.